One thing about tropical destination, you're never short of food. You have from fruits, coconuts, we also have cane as well. This one is known as a number 11 mango. We're gonna dig into this right now. You can taste the organicness in the mango. As they become more ripened, the inside becomes more yellow. The farmers take them to the igglers, then the igglers take them to the market, and then they sell it to customers. Look at all that juice. This is what the locust fruit looks like. These are the seeds.
The seeds don't heat. This one is very young right now, but it grow my white stuff around it.
This is the seed. As it gets more mature,
It grows up around.
this little white outer layer, it grows on the outside and it's very tasty. Once it reaches maturity, you can also plant back the seed and grow this tree as well. So here is known as Springbank Waterfall. It's a basic attraction for those who live in Springbank. They also have some purple bananas as well. I've never seen those before. This is what you call a Gros Michel banana. Look at those ripe ones. And in a couple of days, the whole bunch will be ready. The tree that you see behind me, this tree is a tree that you find mainly close to rivers, and you can make a slingshot out of it. Most Jamaicans, what they do, they look to the environment for their basic needs. Do keep in mind that this is not a fruit. This is what they use as cups, plates.
The Rasta tradition use the pocket to make the plates and the cup, you know, and also, as he say, many other things.
But that flowers is known as the fence stake.
Bring leaf or under the root, but they have come from an eye.
It's known as the fence stake, as you hear my friend here explain. Mainly used as a fence, so that's how it got its name.